Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Wisoqu Clear Acrylic Mini ITX case. This case is designed for those who want a compact and visually striking build. It supports mini ITX motherboards, specifically the 170 by 170 mm size. It can house two 2.5-inch SSDs. It also supports SFX power supplies and video cards up to 210 by 140 by 40 mm in length. One of the standout features of this case is its open, hollow design. With perforations on the front, top, and bottom, it offers excellent airflow and cooling. The 360-degree open design ensures that your components stay cool, which is crucial for maintaining performance, especially during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. The compact size of 266 by 235 by 161 mm makes it perfect for small spaces, and its lightweight design makes it easy to carry around. This is a great option for DIY gamers who want a portable and powerful setup. The transparent acrylic panels provide a panoramic view of the internal components, allowing you to showcase your build. The simple aesthetic makes it suitable for various environments, whether it's a home entertainment setup, a business office, or a gaming rig. Installation is straightforward thanks to the standard hand screws. You won't need a bunch of tools to put everything together, making the building process simple and convenient. The panels are well made, and the overall construction feels sturdy despite being acrylic. However, there are a few things to consider. The open design, while great for cooling, means that dust can easily accumulate inside the case. Regular cleaning will be necessary to keep your components looking and performing their best. Also, the limited space means cable management can be a bit challenging. Careful planning and the use of zip ties will be essential to keep things tidy and ensure good airflow. Overall, the Wisoqu Clear Acrylic Mini ITX case is a solid choice for those looking to build a compact, visually appealing, and well-cooled system. Its ease of installation and unique design make it a standout option in the mini ITX market.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.